We are from Tech Multi-Tech College. Our batch number is 28. Our project title is Automatic Drip Irrigation System for Terrace Garden using IoT. Our team members are Aarthi, Harisha, Kirthika and Swetha. We are from Department Information Technology.
We are using ESP36 microcontroller. It is connected parallelly to the power supply, and there are filters and power regulator to convert the 12 voltage into 5 voltage, and there is a relay. The relay will operate when it gets input from the microcontroller, and this is the tank pump motor. It is the motor connected to the fertilizer tank. These two motors are connected to the soil moisture sensor, and this is the pump motor to fill the water in the tank. This is the water flow sensor to detect the flow of the water into the field, and this is the soil moisture sensor. Water level. It is the water level sensor to monitor the level of the water in the tank, and it is the temperature sensor. The sensor reading will be stored in the server side, and the soil moisture sensor is dry in condition, so the pump motor is operating. When it reaches the certain moisture level, the pump motor will get stopped. In the proposed system, the greenhouse irrigation system consists of temperature and soil moisture sensor to measure the temperature and moisture in the field. A water tank is installed with water level sensor to measure the level of water in the tank. Water flows through the garden using pipes, and the flow direction is controlled using solenoid valve. All these systems are monitored and controlled by microcontroller. If the level in the water tank goes below the threshold, then a text message notification will be sent to the owner for intimation. If the owner wants to add a fertilizer in his farming land, then he will switch on the fertilizer button on web server. Then the fertilizer will automatically mixed with water, and it will be directly supplied to the plants. When soil moisture level is low, if the owner is away from the garden, he can turn on the pump motor using server page. If the owner doesn't respond for certain amount of time, then automatically pump motor will be turned on and intimates the status to the user. The soil moisture placed in the garden will cover certain area of the garden. If the moisture level goes below the threshold value, then water flow will be turned on. The solenoid valve will be used to control the direction of water flow, and also flow sensor ID is used for detect if there is any leakage in the pipeline. Therefore, the intervention of human is much reduced using the smart irrigation system. It saves time and also water consumption.